Good day, my name is Sharon Eastman Benjamin, originally from Charlotteville. My restaurant name is Sharon and Phoebes. I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Today I'm doing some spare ribs, and these spare ribs is not ribs that I bought from the supermarket. This is local pork that I normally buy and have the butcher do the spare ribs. So these are like baby ribs. So he do the spare ribs for me from a local butcher guy. So I get it marinated with garlic, celery, chives, and ginger. I'm going to put some ginger in it. Some people like to use dry seasoning, but I like to use fresh seasoning. So I will rub it up very nicely in it. Not onions. Green onions, better known as chives. Okay, so I'm putting some barbecue sauce. I don't want it to overpower too much with the barbecue sauce. I do spare ribs in all different styles, but today I'm doing it with the sometimes I steam the pork. Like when I buy ready-made stuff, I steam it to take out the pork taste. But today I'm just doing it like this. I put a little touch of soya. I'm pouring a little red wine in it. So dry red wine. So I bake it a liquid red wine. Right. So this is going into the oven. Put it to bake with some dry red wine. That's my daughter-in-law, and she's one of the work. She is the supervisor here in this restaurant here. She is the second in command. Because when I'm ready to hang my hat up, hang up my pants, hang up my shirt, she will be taking over, she and Gail. She is a gourmet lady. She is a gourmet chef. So she will be making the scallops potato, the cream potato today to go with the spare ribs and the steamed vegetables and fresh salad. We put in some, Kadisha is putting in some onions, celery, and chives to blend to go into the cream potatoes. Putting into the potato, the hot potato now, to do the mixed. She put in some Parmesan cheese, like a Parmesan. She put a little carnation milk, some carnation milk. And she's going to mash the potatoes up now. So we're putting in some real butter here. So we like to use it real. So I did some onions, a little sweet onions to wind up the vegetables. This is Christophine and carrots. From the yard, from the backyard here. You're cooking some backyard thing. You always like to put everything. Add a little bit of all-purpose rice seasoning in. Christophine carrots, and I'm putting some squash. Right. As we put the squash in it, we had to put a little water in it because of the squash because we do it with the skin. And then so the vegetables have Christophine, sweet peppers. I'm now putting in some sweet peppers in it. Squash, broccoli, and cauliflower. That's how we do our vegetarian. Sometimes we put cabbage in it sometimes. But today we do 5 different vegetables. So we leave it to steam a little. So we come in and base it now with the sauce. You must put the sauce on the shrimp, on the steak, the spare ribs, the pork. Can I have a little more red wine on this? Put in a little rosemary, not overpowered. Up. And then we do a little shake. And then we put it back in the oven for a little glaze to soak in with a little